just on time. So today is a very special video and I'm going to explain about Alibaba online seller app. But before I start, let me wear the mic. So hello and welcome back to my channel. I am your host Paras, and in today's video I am going to talk about something called as Alibaba seller app. So I am going to take you through the details of this Alibaba seller app, how you can navigate and how you can check different tabs. But before I take you into the detail of the video, if you haven't watched my previous videos on Alibaba, you can always click the link in the description. And if you haven't yet subscribed me, it's the right time to do so. So let's start with the video right away. I am inside the Play Store app, the Android Play Store, and I need to click on this search tab and search for Trade Manager Alibaba. Press enter and you can see here the second option, which is written as alibaba.com, also known as Trade Manager app. Just click on it. So this is the app that you must install if you are selling on alibaba.com. It's already written as leading online B2B trade marketplace. So this is the exact app that you must install on your device or on your mobile. So I have installed it, just need to click open. Now you can see I am at the home page of it. So this is the basic home page of this app where you can see all your categories. I can see agriculture, apparel, baby, chemicals, energy and all the related category to browse from and to place order if I want to place order. So the second option you can see here is request for quotation, which I have talked about in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, you can click on the link above or in the description to watch that video. It is very important for a seller to know what is request for quotation. And similarly you have other options, the deals, arrivals, channels and related products. So the most important part of this app is actually at the bottom right hand side, which is called as My Alibaba. You can see it, just click on it. So this is the page that you will see when you log into a trade manager. It's basically about your accounts, your detail and everything. So if you placed any order, you can check on the manage order. If you have any request for quotation, you click on the request for quotation here. And if you have any inquiries, which is right here, so you can see there's a red dot on the right hand side of this inquiry tab. So which means I have got a new inquiry, so I must respond to it as soon as possible. Similarly, you have other related tabs right now, so which I will explain in other video also about all the tabs. And the tab which is below is called as My Catalogs, which you can see is actually your product listing catalog, where you can see all of your products. Then Help Center, then the main one is Currency Converter. So if you want to purchase, or if you want to list any of your product and want to know how much does it cost in your currency and the product that, let's say you are listing in US dollars. So let's say I'm listing something worth 1,000 or let's say 10,000 rupees. So in USD it's equivalent to $129. So that's the value I must list if I'm planning to list on US dollar based. So mostly all the product that you list on this particular portal Alibaba is basically in a US dollar form, because that's easy for everyone to understand. And then you have a settings. So settings is pretty simple. It is about your country, region, currency, language and other stuff. So the most important part why a seller use this particular alibaba.com is because of this option, which is at the bottom middle of it, is something called as Messenger. So once you click on the Messenger, so this shows me all the requests which I have received against my listing, which means there are buyers out there on alibaba.com which want to purchase products from me, and here is the tab which mention their exact details and their exact requirements. So I can click any of this particular request and respond to that using this app. So This is the main reason why you use Alibaba Trade Manager app. It is because to stay updated about any request that came your way about a product or a listing. So these messages are very important for you to attend because most of them have a high chance of conversion. So it is highly recommended that you install this Trade Manager app to respond to all these queries as early as possible and maintain your response rate at the highest. So that's why you need or you must have Trade Manager in your mobile installed and be active on it all the time to stay up to date. So that's the reason you install this app. So that's all about the app. You go ahead and install it. I've shared a link in the description of this video so you can check it out, and also I'm sharing all the other videos in the screen in front of you. So do check out those videos. I see you in the next video, and feel free to ask me any question, and please do remember to subscribe. Thank you.